welcome to our Hit the Dance Floor, Advent Dance Floor tutorials. Today we're going to do a little bit of merengue. We're going to do a tap step. So tap step on its own, it's literally just this. Now that's boring, obviously. So we have to give it some flavour to make it far more exciting. To do that, first of all, you've got to remember you're going to put all your weight on your standing foot. So you're going to bend your knee ever so slightly and your bottom sticks out a bit, like this. So that is your stance whenever you're doing a tap or a stomp. Anything where this foot wants to stay without transfer of weight. So with a tap, we're not transferring weight, we're literally just making it it's as if it's like a beat to a marching band, like a drum. So it's doing that motion. Now, again, that's a bit boring. So to make it work a bit more fun, what we're going to do is we're going to twist from the hip. Twist from the hip. So literally from the hip, my body's coming, my legs twisting up and down, up and down. So the motion is actually sort of like this, like a windscreen wiper. And the toe is going from being up to down, up to down. I'm just putting the toe down, I'm not putting the rest of my foot down. So that's just a tap. To make it more dynamic, I'm going to twist to the side. I'm going to use the arm to pump in when we go to the ground. And this arm, instead of just being loose there, we're going to stick it right up in the air. Bam, bam, bam. So immediately we've gone from tap, 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 boring, to giving it some welly. And that's the tap, tap in essence. We can do lots of things with a tap. We can go down and up, down and up. That's quite common. We can go around in circles like this. We can also go around in circles down and up, down and up, down and up, down and up. But in essence, we're just staying on that back leg and doing a tap. So the push, we can do a little bit of pushing from the floor, straightening the leg. When we're doing it, bam, gives it more push. But there you go, there's your tap step from merengue.